Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Coinbase. First, make sure your Apple Pay is already set up with a debit card on your device. Then, open the Coinbase app and tap on the Settings icon. From there, navigate to Payment Methods and select Add a Payment Method. You will then see the option to add Apple Pay, making it ready for your crypto purchases. This simple setup takes just a few moments. Once Apple Pay is linked, buying crypto is straightforward. On the Coinbase app's home screen, select the cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Enter the exact amount you wish to purchase, for example, $50 worth of Bitcoin. When prompted for payment, simply choose Apple Pay. Confirm your selection, and you are just one step away from owning your desired digital asset. It's important to be aware of the transaction specifics. While daily limits for Apple Pay purchases can vary significantly based on your account history and verification, some users may experience limits up to several $1,000s. There's also a small minimum purchase of $2 per transaction. A fee typically ranging between 2 and 5% is applied to these purchases, which is clearly displayed before you finalize your order. Always review these details carefully. After selecting Apple Pay, a confirmation screen will appear. Double-check all the details, including the amount of crypto you are buying and the total cost with fees. Then, use your device's biometric authentication, like Face ID or Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize the payment. Your new cryptocurrency will be deposited into your Coinbase wallet almost instantly, ready for you to manage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.